I finally started making bone broth, and it has been the easiest anti-inflammatory habit I've added so far. I've been slowly adding little habits into my reset routine, and making my own bone broth is one of the first things I decided to try. I keep it pretty simple. I do not use anything other than rotisserie chicken, water, and apple cider vinegar. I lay my chickens on a lined cookie sheet and I break them apart the best I can. You don't have to break them apart too much, just enough to kind of get everything cooked through, because I want to bake it in the oven on 320 for a couple hours, because that helps break the bones down. In turn, it helps the bone broth be more beneficial, if that makes any sense. This part is a little bit satisfying because you're just cracking the chicken open, and that's pretty much it. It's really easy. I use gloves because, of course, I don't want my hands all greasy and everything from the rotisserie chicken. And don't worry, I'm not wasting the chicken. I will use the chicken to make other recipes like chicken salad. It would be great for like fajitas, chicken noodle soup. This is soup season, so this will be perfect to go along with the bone broth as well. There are a number of ideas that you can do with the chicken. You can also just bag it up and freeze it. So like I said, it will not be going to waste. I feel like my method is not very fancy at all. I don't use any seasonings. I don't use any vegetables like carrots or onions or garlic. I basically just do this oven method, and then I put everything in my Instapot. I cover all the chicken with water, and then I add a little apple cider vinegar. That helps pull the nutrients and collagen out of the bones. And I let this simmer on low for a few hours, and then I put my Instapot on warm and let it simmer overnight, or keep warm, I should say, overnight for 10 hours. That seems like a long time, but this actually helps to make it so that when you're handling the bone broth, it's not steaming hot. It'll still be hot, of course, but it won't be boiling hot like it is straight from the pot. And trust me, I'm not an expert. I'm just figuring this out as I go. But this has been one of the easiest wellness habits to stick to. And I don't just make this for myself. I make this for my dogs as well. And once it's done, I just strain it and I put it into the plastic food containers. Now I do freeze some of it. It usually makes about 5 containers of bone broth. I freeze some of it and I keep some in the refrigerator, and it lasts for a few days in the refrigerator. And you can see that steam coming out. It has definitely cooked very well. As you can see also, it's like boiling. So if I were to try to put this in containers at this stage, it would be dangerous. So that's why I let it do the overnight warm for 10 hours. And then that way, when I'm ready to put everything into containers, it's not so hard to handle. Again, it's still hot, but it's not boiling hot like it was just a few seconds ago. I really enjoy making this bone broth, and I love having it and enjoying the benefits of bone broth. It's very expensive in the store, so I think it's worth spending about $5 on a rotisserie chicken from Costco and doing this process and making your own bone broth. Bone broth is a great source of collagen and nutrients, and I enjoy sipping this in the morning and adding to meals when I want something warm, soothing, and easy for my digestion. If you're on your own wellness journey, this is a really simple place to start. If you like videos like this, please comment below, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be reminded of when I post new videos, and I will catch you in the next one.